I love tacos. There's just something about a really good taco that just draws you in. When I'm out, at a restaurant or whatever, if they have fish tacos or regular tacos or, whatever, that is definitely always a consideration for me before I order. Now, I like to make tacos at home also. And again, regular tacos, fish tacos, and in this case, today, I'm gonna show you a really great taco, and we're gonna combine barbecue with tacos to create an awesome home dish. Brisket by far is my favorite barbecue food. Now that's assuming that it was cooked properly, it's juicy, and it's very tender. A dry brisket, and I'm probably gonna choose something else. If you expand your thinking a little bit out of just barbecue and kind of mix the philosophy of maybe tacos and barbecue and come up with brisket tacos, if you haven't had a brisket taco, or they even have other barbecue meats like pork belly tacos, and there's a lot of meats we're starting to see in tacos, but a brisket taco, man, that's something special right there. Now, brisket tacos isn't something you're gonna see at a lot of restaurants or, even barbecue places. It's just not something people do a lot of yet. You see fish tacos, shrimp tacos, regular tacos, and I've seen pork belly tacos at a few select places. I don't know, maybe it's different in other parts of the world and country, but brisket tacos is only something I've seen pop up on a menu maybe once or twice. I'm a bit of a traditionalist when it comes to brisket. I love my brisket just sliced or, into some burnt ends. It's hard to beat that. But when you cook, a 15-pound brisket, you have a lot of brisket left over. And don't get me wrong, it never is a problem getting rid of it all. We go through a brisket pretty quick. But using brisket in a little bit of a different method, like with tacos, that's just something you're gonna have to try. Let me show you how I do it.
Now, a little tip, put a wet paper towel under your cutting board and it'll keep it from spinning and moving out of place. Putting everything in a blender with about 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to blend it up into a wonderful sauce. This is just some standard coleslaw mix, and I'm going to add a little lemon juice to it, get it all stirred and mixed up, and it'll be ready. And here's the star of the show. This is a gold grade Wagyu brisket from Snake River Farms. I'll have the link to the video where I cooked that up above a little later. Now these are a must, pickled onions. I don't have a video on how to make them yet, so try to find them at your local store, but you have to have these pickled onions to really set these tacos off. And a little sour cream. This is a really quick and easy meal to make. Feel free to adjust the ingredients in the tacos or the sauce, to suit your taste. Let's go ahead and give them a taste. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, the smokiness from the brisket, that little bit of tartness from the pickled onions, the coleslaw, it just blends together so perfectly. We're taking barbecue and we're mixing it with tacos. It's the real deal.